Hey everybody, it's Julian here, aka MegaJLan, or whatever names you want to call me. No. What's up everybody, this is Julian, aka MegaJLan here, and I am going to be attempting a new type of, and it's going to be another cosplay construction video today. I haven't been doing this in a while since I've been busy with a few other things. So anyway, I got some more costumes I'm going to be wanting to make, and I've been procrastinating on it for quite some time now, and honestly it's a really bad habit of mine. So yeah, and especially with a convention I want to go to coming up, and I've had this costume idea for a long time now, so anyway, I'm going to be doing another cosplay home construction video today. So the day this has started recording is July 3rd, so Independence Day will be right around the corner by the time this was filmed. So happy Independence Day for everybody. So let's get started and let's see what we got, shall we? So for the cosplay I'm hoping to create is going to require a orange vest. So I'm going to be working with this simplicity pattern I got from Hobby Lobby a couple of weeks ago. So obviously I opened the package, and this is the pattern sheet. So yep, this is what I'm going to be working with. Right here on my bed is the patterns itself. I just need to cut it out. And funny thing is, I actually have orange fabric for this, which is what I'm going to be working with, actually. So, losing my words. So anyway, next step is to cut this stuff out, and let's see where we'll be going from here. So, yeah. I, for one, am still trying to figure out which pattern size is for me. So I'm probably going to have to stick with the large size. Last I checked I was like 5 foot something, so I'm hoping that would be the appropriate size for me, but yeah, let's see where it's gonna go from here. Okay, so I have my patterns printed out right here. As you can obviously see, I managed to cut them out in a large. So yeah, for the front and back, I don't know how well it's gonna work out. Please ignore that. That's the event for the... Well, I'm going to try putting them side by side. That way I can, like, put them together so the front and the back would look more like it's whole, because I'm planning to have this vest that I'm going to be putting together sewn out. Right, I have the fan on in my room, so... Anyway, this is the orange fabric I'm going to be using for my new costume. I got the sides and... the sides for the front and back already sewn out. So yeah, just a little more work, and I'll have the patterns printed out. Okay, let's see where it's gonna go from here. And we are finally finished with this thing. So this is my pullover vest that I just completed. The character who I'm going to be cosplaying this for is going to be in my upcoming Gen Con 2018 video, so stay tuned for that. So I unfortunately could not capture any footage for when I was actually making this stuff, because I was more focused on sewing at the moment. So yeah, maybe at some point or in the next construction video I will hopefully catch some footage of this. So yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you all next time. Till then.